Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. And today it's yet another beautiful day. So grateful to God for the gift of life. So grateful to God for this beautiful natural hair. Yes, sometimes we may think it's just normal or it's just obvious to have your natural hair, but one thing that I have come to learn is in everything give thanks. So guys, how are you doing on your hair growth journey? Wow, so today I'm just looking at this particular hair, and let me tell you one thing, the same thing that I keep saying every now and then is that our natural hair is always growing. When I look back from where it all started and how my hair is right now, I can tell you for sure this is as a result of patience and consistency. Those two. And now I see the results. Maybe if this is the first time you are coming across my video, if this is the first time you are seeing this video, I know you have this question like, how have you been able to grow your natural hair this long? And let me tell you people, I always say the same thing. I have grown my hair this long by just leaving it alone. What do I mean by that? I have grown this hair by just keeping it on a protective style. That is, personally, I love braids and twists. So I have grown this hair by just keeping it on braids. Those braids, they go for 1 month. After 1 month, I rebraid them back. I keep my scalp clean. I wash my hair while it's still on these braids, on these twists. I shampoo, I deep condition. Then I repair my back, and like that one, it's like a circle for me. I keep doing this every now and then. And by doing that, I have been able to retain length, and this is as a result of me being able to retain every little length that I get. I don't over manipulate my hair. If you have been following me, you know very well when I keep my hair on a protective style, I will not even do content, start to show you how long is my hair. No, I don't do that. If I keep my hair on a protective style, it is on a protective style until that time when I'll feel now it's time for me to repair this hair, to rebraid back this hair. So I'm that type of a person. I will keep my hair on a protective style for 1 month. Like, okay, right now these braids are 2 months, so now I'm like rebraiding them back. But before I rebraid them back, I have to ensure that I wash and then I repair my braids. After I'm done repairing my braids, I will go for another month. Like, that has been my, do I call it my song? Like, that has been my thing since I started this journey. And that's why I am here with results, with evidence, apart from products. Because let me tell you people, products will play their part, and also you as a person, as an individual, you also have to play your part. And I want to believe the highest percentage is the part that you as a person you play. The reason I'm saying that is because if you are applying, let's say, a very good product on your hair, but you are not taking care of that hair, you are not retaining a length on that hair, then you will not be able to see any results. Let's say if you are this type of a person, you do this hairstyle this week, next week you have another hairstyle, the following week you have another hairstyle. Do you know what you are doing? You are over manipulating your hair. And if you are on a hair growth journey, I'm talking specifically to those people who want to see length, who want to see their hair growing long, going past shoulder length, waist length, name them. Those are the type of people that I am talking about, because I know it is not everyone who wants to have long hair. So if you are this type of a person, you are on a hairstyle this week, the following week you are on another hairstyle, then you will never be able to retain length. Reason being, every time you are over manipulating your hair, and every time you are over manipulating your hair, the little length that you are getting, you are losing it. And how are you losing it? Through breakage. Remember, our natural hair is always shedding, but there's a difference between shedding and breakage. So every time you keep over manipulating your hair, you are breaking your hair. You might not notice that breakage, but now your hair remaining the same place every time. Now that is the results. If you don't want to see that type of stagnant results every time, for 1 month, try to just let your hair be. For 1 month, just leave your hair alone. Then after 1 month, do the hairstyle that you want, and ensure you are not pulling your scalp. You are not, putting tension on your scalp. Just do a hairstyle that is loose. Okay, when I mean loose, I don't mean that loose, but do an hairstyle that is not causing any tension to your scalp. I know these things, we keep saying them, and some people will get what I'm saying, but other people will not get it. But do you know one thing? When I was starting my journey, I also used to be like maybe some of us. I could go to YouTube, listen to hair growth tips. I pick one tip, I pick another tip, other tips I don't pick. And I am here because I picked one tip. That I picked is the tip of just leaving your hair alone, not over manipulating your hair, just keeping your hair on a protective style, leaving it, keeping a clean scalp, moisturizing your hair, ensuring that your hair is moisturized. Like, those are some of the tips that I kept. And so if you are watching this video and you are on a hair growth journey, I want you to know that it is very possible for you to grow that hair long. All you have to do is stay consistency with your routine, stay consistency with the products that you are using. If something is working for you, kindly stay consistent to it. And if something is not working for you, look for what works for you and stay consistent. So thank you so much. Remember to like and also subscribe.